This video will show you how to install a Caroma two-piece toilet with a standard 12-inch rough-in. We've divided this video into chapters so you can watch the full installation or skip to any portion of the installation that you'd like to view. To complete this installation, you will need a standard wax ring. Do not use any kind of reducing or horned wax ring such as a cant leak. They are not suitable to use with any washdown toilet and will affect the flushing performance. A basic wax ring is required. You're also going to need toilet flange bolts, a water supply line, we're using a braided supply line for toilet installations, a small wrench, and silicone caulking. We are not showing the seat installation on this video, but we have linked that video below. We're installing a Caroma Sydney Smart 3 in this video, but the installation method is the same for any Caroma two-piece toilets with a standard 12-inch rough-in. Your first step is to ensure that the closet flange is set out accurately from the finished wall. This means that the center of the rough-in should be 12 inches from the finished wall. If you've installed a thick baseboard or tile after the flange was roughed in, you may need a toilet with a 10-inch rough-in. Any Caroma toilets utilizing the Smart Connect installation will adapt to a rough-in between 10 inches and 12 inches. We've linked information on Smart Connect in the description below, but for this toilet, the rough-in has to be 12 inches from the finished wall. Position the closet bolts into the flange so that they are evenly spaced and will match up with the holes in the base of the bowl. Position the wax ring onto the center of the closet flange. At this point, you'll want to make sure that the installation area is clean and clear of dirt and debris. Now align the closet flange bolts to the holes in the bowl and lower that bowl into position. Attach the three-piece connection kit. The base should be placed so that the rounded top faces upward. Then install the metal washer and finally the nut. Hand tighten the nut and then give a final 1/2 turn with a wrench. Do not over tighten. Now you can attach the decorative bolt covers. Simply snap them into place. Note that if you place the connection base upside down, the cap won't snap into place. Run a bead of silicone caulking around the base of the toilet bowl, leaving about an inch opening at the back of the bowl. It's now time to install the tank. You will have received a tank-to-bowl seal with your tank. Attach this seal around the tailpiece at the bottom of the tank and press it into place. Align the two tank bolts at the base of the tank to the corresponding holes in the bowl. Fit the plastic wing nuts provided onto the tank fixing bolts and gradually tighten the left and right wing nuts by hand to evenly secure the tank to the bowl. Choose the type of water supply connection that you'd like to use. The inlet valve on this toilet is fitted with an adapter. Will work with a 3/8 inch hard tube or pipe connection. We're using a braided supply line, so we have removed the adapter. Now simply connect your toilet to the water supply, turn on the water, replace the lid, and your installation is complete. If you have any questions about this installation or any Caroma product, please contact our customer service team, either by phone at 1-800-460-7019 or email at help@sustainablesolutions.com.